Hey guys, let me show you what I got at the junkyard. I took these 4 springs off the seat. I'm going to show you how they go on here. This first spring goes hooked on the underbelly of this here. It looks like it goes hooked there. It does not go hooked there. It goes hooked right here. Spring. Same thing, goes on the underbelly of this here. Looks like it goes hooked there, does not go hooked there. I've seen some that have been hooked there. That's not the right place for it. It goes hooked right there. For the next spring, you got this big spring. Now this spring goes hooked up on that one spot to here. This last spring here, or not, it's not really a spring, it's just more like a piece of wire with a spring coil. That goes attached from here. From this part, from here to right there. Do these easy. You just slide this spring out down, pops open. This side does the same thing. The way you put this back on, squeeze the wire together, slide the spring over, and it locks, kind of sort of locks in place, something like that. Do the same for the other side.